Hello children. Class 3 English from Marigold, Unit 2. Poem. First let us know. Let me start. First question is there in our mind that what is funny? Which is not normal to us is funny to us. Just like sometimes when we watch circus in TV or in real, we feel funny by observing the activities of Joker. Is not it funny? Sometimes we enjoy the funny activities of birds and animals. Is not it funny? For example, I want to tell you, my dear children, which is not normal to us is funny to us. Which is not normal to birds is funny to birds. Imagine. Imagination is a big thing for our creative mind. If we think more, we come to know more. For example, we have hands, but birds have wings. Is it not funny? We walk, but birds fly. Is it not funny? We walk, but they fly. Birds fly. Is it not funny? So, children, let us talk that we all know that jokers in circus do funny activities. We all know that animals in the circus do funny activities. We all talk about the magicians who show us funny magic. Is it not funny? We talk with birds and animals. Is it not funny? We feel funny watching the activities of animals and birds. Now let us children, we move to the poem Bird Talk. Let us enjoy in this poem the talking between the two birds. Here Robin and Jay were two birds. They were talking to each other about the people. Is it clear to you who were talking to each other? Robin and Jay. They were talking to each other about the people. What do they feel? They feel the activities of people funny for them. Robin and Jay were talking about how do the people grow. They do not grow like birds. They don't have feathers. But birds have. They don't eat beetles. Beetles means insects. They don't eat beetles. Beetles means insects. But birds, they eat. They don't grow wings. That means people, they don't grow wings like birds. People don't like to sit on wires and many more things. But the birds love to sit on wires and many more things. So it is said that the funny things means all these activities are funny for the birds. At last, they were talking to each other that people are not like birds. They can't be like birds. So they feel that people are really very funny. I think you have understood. Here you can see the poem Unit 2, and here two birds are there. They are talking and The children, they are listening. This is blue jay bird and this one is robin. This is the poem written by Aline Fisher. Aline Fisher, she was a great poet. She wrote many poems for the children and this is one of them. Here you can see two birds. They love to sit on the rope. All these are very interesting for them. But they feel that why people, they can't do like them. Here the poem goes like this. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Hey, things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. Hey, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So, in this poem, the feeling of birds for the people mentioned here, which I explained it now, and some words are there: beetles, sitting, wires, funny. You go on, what you will do? You will learn and write five times each word. Funny, what comes? Bunny, sunny. In this way you develop many more words from each. Wire, fire, tire, mire, sitting, fitting, knitting. In this way you will write. Beetle, then what you have to, many more words you have to frame. Here we can see that rhyming words: J, day, Jayj, day, day. Grow, no. Wings, things, all these are rhyming word. Then we can add wings, things, sing, ring. J, way, say, day, funny, bunny, honey. We can frame more words. Okay, in the next video we will do the exercise, children. That's all for today. Thank you.